How many types of editors are there? There are two types of editors, developmental editors and copy editors. Developmental editors focus on improving the content and structure of a manuscript by suggesting changes in order to make it more readable and understandable for the reader. Copy editors focus on grammar, spelling, punctuation, etc., but do not make any suggestions about how to change the content or structure. The price for developmental editing is higher than that for copy editing because it requires more time from an editor. A developmental editor will read through a manuscript several times before making recommendations, whereas a copy editor will work on a manuscript once and make suggestions on how it can be edited to correct grammar, spelling, punctuation. A developmental editor works with the writer to develop the ideas and content of their writing over the course of several revisions as they are polishing pieces of writing that are important to them. While copy editors have an idea about what should be where, developmental editors take the writer's ideas and bring them to fruition by developing them into a polished final product. A developmental editor is not necessarily a copy editor. The former works with the author to develop their work, whereas the latter reviews text to check for errors in grammar or syntax. Time factor. The most important thing to consider when estimating the price of editing a document is how much time it will take to edit the document. This is because time is money. If you spend more time on a project than you anticipated, then you will have to charge more for your services. If your client needs their work edited within 24 hours, then they should be prepared to pay extra for this service. On average, professional editors charge $5 to $10 per page with an average turnaround time of 3 to 5 days. Thanks for watching. tcc6.com